In front of me is Motorola Edge 50 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access passwords and accounts. Then hit this gear next to Google. Tap on Google Password Manager, and after tapping on Add Password, input all of those informations. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!